Hi, welcome back to Upcycle Art Journals. I have a book haul for the week. As we're starting to wrap up August, I'm leaning towards September rather than like a no spend like November. It's going to be a spend free or spend less or something like that. So the book hauls are going to slow down, but I did get a few and I wanted to show them. So this first batch, the 4 books came together in a set. And this one's a little bit smaller. And it was one I was not sure about if I'd end up using, 1927. So there's that one. This one is a great example of books to get to upcycle because this one is all tore up and it's Dolly Dialogues, which I actually have a large version of that on my shop. So this one, we would just take the spine off and upcycle it. So it would work out really good for that. And this one is the Edith series, and I actually have a couple more of hers. Just a super cute little girl would make a great baby book or something like that. And then this was the 4th one that came in the set, which is the main one that I wanted, of course, because it has the lady on the front. Always something that catches my eye is those vintage ladies, which I am hoping to work on them again soon, because that's definitely one of my loves is working on those journals. And then I got this cute one, Honey Bunch's First Day. It's on the farm. That would be a fun one to do a farm theme with. Got some more little golden books. These ones are brand new. Got on Amazon. I love the color of this Sleeping Beauty. I hadn't seen that one, so I definitely wanted that one. And how fun is that? Friends would be good. And a Christmas one I haven't seen. That was super cute. And then this one would be great to give to a kid for a gift. A little keepsake book. And a Disneyland. And then the Golden Girls. Super fun. And then I got some more Barbie ones from eBay. That's the same one I already have one of. But then Cinderella and Rapunzel. Thought those would make some cute Barbie journals as I'm working on Barbie. So I probably will go ahead and incorporate those ones in the ones I'm doing now. And this one, I will probably do a full flip through of later because this is a must-have. This book has amazing pictures in it. This book has thick paper. They're not expensive. And it's just, if you're going to work with any kind of Victorian or vintage themes, this is an absolute must. This one also is a must. And I think I have another version of this I'll pull out, and we may do a flip through of that. Again, nice and thick papers because this is a reproduction. You just pull these pages right out and stick them in a journal. So these ones are just absolute must-haves. And then I got another one of these. I'm pretty sure I have one, but I think it's getting a little bit used. And we're going to kind of look at the pages of this one probably in a future video too, because these are some of the pages that can get a little bit hard to use. So I want to see if we can find some ways to upcycle, the more brittle pages. So that's the book haul this week. Like I said, super excited about these ones. I'll make a video about those soon and just how we can use those. And even taking that one, this Dolly one, and how can we take this and make it into a journal? So super fun, lots of fun things coming. Just trying to find time to get it all done. Got my little vendor spot set up, so now I can work on some more, a variety of more things with you guys, and just get moving on that. So I hope you have a great rest of your day and that you'll join me soon and we can upcycle some more things.